I'm recording wrong. Okay. Guys, welcome back to the gaming channel, to the Nostalgica PPSPP. And for this day, for this video, I'm going to teach you how to level up very fast in the Dead Project 2. This is a zombie game, and I just played this recently. I'm not very good at it, as you can see. I'm not well optimized on my skills. I got the pistol, rifle, submachine gun, I don't know. But for this guide, I'm going to advise you to actually pick the sprinter, aim for the heart, and the most important one is this one, hunter. Being for the weapon is up to you, but actually I prefer using pistol and then submachine gun for a beginner suggestion. And the most important one, this one, the reloading, because if you actually manage to level it up, it can give you some ammo capacity as well. But marksman maybe optional if you're using pistol, because you can actually upgrade the pistol, like upgrade the extended barrel, as you can see this one, 50% range. But I suggest you gonna take the marksman for the aim speed, because submachine gun has a very low aim speed. I actually using pistol and submachine gun. And for the stats of your clothes, it's very important to take the movement speed, mobility stats on the jeans, the legs part, and the footwear. Suggestions is going to be hiking boots and jeans. Joggers. Wait, I'm going to show it to you. Application.
What's the use?
There's a specific skills you can actually obtain on each part, but each leg parts, like naming. Let's example jeans. This one. Joggers. Okay, joggers. Believe. Joggers has like a movement speed. Okay, let's suggest movement speed, jog speed, sprint duration, I got one, sprint speed, and jog speed. Level 50 because I already reached my maximum level. Okay, look at that one, sprint duration, joggers, and jog speed 23%, and sprint speed. Pick the most important skill in the jogger. The legs is going to be the incoming damage in the sprint duration, of course. Look at that one, very high stats. Okay, I'm going to show you to how to actually level up. Right now the gray wood is under attack, but the purple zone is non-existent when the outpost is being attacked. But the most highest giver of the experience in this game is going to be the purple zones. It's actually rotational, and once the entire purple zones reset every timer, I believe there's a specific time you can actually see the no, there's no. I'm going to show it to you how to suggestion. You can actually do the side mission, the play stop store. You can unlock the orangizer. Orangizer is very important skill to acquire, and I'm going to suggest to you guys that the leveling level 50 will be very difficult. Avoid this level 40 to 50, I believe. Even at level 50, if you reach the level 40, still avoid this area. I suggest you focus on the level 30 to level 25 or 20 if you are higher than 35 or something like that. But if you're below, I suggest you focus on the level 15 area. This one, it's vertical, by the way, 15, and somewhere like that. But if you manage to reach the level 8, go to the level 10 and boss rush. This tutorial will apply in every level. I'm going to show it to you right now. Let's give you example. Wait a minute. very efficient if you actually do some quest. Quest can actually still give highest experience also in coins. Sometimes it can actually give you some items. So look at this, start all missions, 8 new missions. Okay, I'm not going to go to the mission right now. I believe you're gonna go to the boss rush to the police station. I'm going to show you how to boss rush this one. Okay, for example, you can actually see this one, the Haverbrook Emergency Hospital. It's actually in the front of Memorial level 20. You can actually still rush the boss in here. You're gonna locate for the boss, speed running the boss, something like that, for past experience. And we're gonna avoid everything else. Okay, let's enter this one. Let's look for the stairs. Okay, enter this one. Boss will actually appear on doors like this. Okay. Okay, okay, what levels? Not this one, big key. Sometimes boss will appear on locked doors, but specific doors only. Not this one. Boss will not appear in this one. This is like a storage room. Okay, let's go out. By the way, I'm going to actually teach you how to loot some specific buildings, because some building will yield some special loot. Okay, let's go to this one. And for the stalker, sometimes a stalker boss will appear to chase you. Dodge it as fast as possible, because okay, there's a boss in here at level 20. It can actually happen. Kill the boss and then loot the body. Very important to loot the body, the boss, because for the extra crash, you're gonna scrap this one. I'm going to loot this body, because sometimes you actually loot this one. Okay, use this one. Okay, what's Morse code? I forgot how to deal with this one. Maybe this one is actually, forget it. I'm not looking in here. I'm going to show you how to actually level it up here really fast. I'm going to show you there. Maybe let's consume this one for the movement speed and the experience. No boss in here. Okay, there's no boss in here. Let's get out. Where's the actual stage? Okay. This one. Okay, I'm gonna look for the stairs actually. Going to rush for the boss one. This one. Okay, this one. The dual doors, sometimes boss, mini doors will appear in this one, and one of them are boss button. Enter this door, boss will appear here, no? Okay, so just to avoid it at all costs, maybe let's look for the double doors. Okay, this one. Enter this one. Forget the zombies. Okay, there's no boss in there. Let's avoid it. Okay, climb up. I'm just going to look for the boss. Sometimes boss will appear in the closed doors like that one. So if you manage to climb up the upper stairs without the boss, suggest to actually look for the key, because boss will actually appear. Now boss this one, climb up again. This is how you rush the entire boss. Okay, this one, red door, that means there's a boss in there. Let's enter the door. Okay, this one, same boss. $158. By the way, I was like, I believe 154, and that's what 4K experience already. That's the Orangizer and the weekly event. 67% gain. And the Orangizer as well. For the yeah, it's like a 80% boost. But you can still actually get many experience for defeating boss at level 20 and above. I believe it's 20 to 15. They're the same experience. 10 to 20. The boss there will be like the same. Let's look for the other loot in here. There's no loot. No other loot. Okay. Enter this area. Let's look for the massive loot. Gain. This one. Okay. Search this one. Forget that one. Okay, take that one, and we're gonna manipulate the market by selling. Okay, since the boss is already eliminated, you can actually go out now. He's like boss rushing. And let's move to the other area where I can actually gain a massive boost of experience. Okay, let's go down. Going to loot that area later. This area means on the gaining money, you can actually gain a lot of gold, I mean dollar, by looting the big buildings like this one. Okay. Okay, where's the way out? There's one way out. And this one. Okay, let's go to the level 30 because I'm already level 50, so we can actually show you the full challenge. Because I'm already level 50, I'm going to challenge myself. On you guys, like maybe below level 20, I suggest you stick to the level 15 or level 10. 10 to 15, there will be like boss in there, and they do the boss hunting there, mutant hunting, and let's do some boss hunting here. Okay, let's look for the small buildings. Okay, for level 30, we could actually go to the produce market. Okay, these two buildings there's a guaranteed boss in there. Small market. Okay, let's go for the market. Level 30 will be very, very challenging. Okay, gonna speaking this guy for the extra quest. Okay. Okay, doesn't matter. Let's see what boss in there. Okay, very, very easy one. Okay. It's already 165, just like 7K experience or something. Like 2 boss already at a small amount of time. Kill that one. Kill all of them. Okay. Don't forget to loot the body. The boss because it yields the largest amount of gold. That gold for the extra cash. Okay, this one is good. Too much test in there, and use this one. Okay, that's it. Every room has a basically 2 to 1 loot areas. So if you manage to loot like the already 2, you can actually get out to the room. Okay, I'm gonna take it for the extra space, baby. Just one. Okay, maybe there's only one in here. Okay, go in here. No, just forget. I'm going to boss rush. Okay, that's like 2 boss already. Okay, look. 166. Going to look. And organize. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Kill the boss faster than 5 minutes. Highly suggest you to look areas like small as this one. Oops, that's a Reaper, very powerful. Suggest you actually heal up a little bit in here. I shot one. It's gonna jump. I'm going to run away because he will damage. It's dead. Yeah, it's dead. Now kill the entire squad. For the level situation, I expect to actually buy my favorite SMG right now. Okay, this one is good. Cold one. I used Manticore. It's the most cheapest gun. Only 30,000 by the way. You managed to reach the level 50 by the Manticore, and I know what you're thinking because 30k is expensive right now. At the level 50 is actually pretty cheap. Most cheapest one. Okay, let's look this one. Oh god, come on, hurry. Fracking boots. Hard boss such as the Reaper will actually give you a massive look at that. 177. It's like 10k. First 10k experience already. Going to look this area. Not going to take that long, right? Okay, take that one for the foods. Okay, that's like the second boss already. I'm gonna look for the other boss. It's like how do you do it, like bossing. They call it bossing in the Dead Frontier community. Okay, let's look for the smaller establishment. Okay, this one is actually pretty good. Let's go in this area. The means copy ako this one. Orangizer, less than 5 minutes, drink already. For the experience boost. Take the brodies. Look for the boss. Okay, the little okay, this one. Boss rush. Okay. This one is quite hard. This one is actually very hard. This thing is quite a one of the hardest one in it. Keep running. That one is dead already. Kill the zombies. It's experience by the way. Okay, 187, that's like a 10k, another 10k. Level 30 is like the hard boss areas. Hard boss, there's like a hard boss in the level 30 areas. If you wanna focus in this one, better be, because I suggest focus in the level 25. Sometimes small boss will appear in there, like the choir or the fingerhead, very easy to deal up. Okay, take that one for the extra cash. It's 187 gold. 10k I believe, somewhere 9k experience maybe. Okay, let's look for the other one. Okay, Brody's and let's go for the Dominic's Grill. Small establishment like this building can actually give you past boss battles. For the apartment, you can actually still do it, like I did with the hospital. I actually rushed for the boss. This one is actually pretty easy. It's good. It's like my fourth boss already. How many experience? Okay, 196. So 187 to 196. It's like 9k some experience already. Talking about my experience of killing the boss, killing the zombies quickly. Oh, the worms in there, annoying. This one. Okay. Look for the okay, this one. Boss rushing over. Worth it. Flash that one. By the way, very important to take the quick reflex. It will actually save you a lot. Okay, bossing number. Let me get numbers. Okay. Let's go to the uncape. I suggest you actually still, if you see this kind of structure in the game, there will be like 3 consecutive bosses. And it's actually very fast to actually level up this kind of structure. Okay, let's rush for the boss. Let's see who's the boss in this one. Okay, so kill the zombies first. If you are having trouble in bosses because of the zombies, kill the zombies before entering. And once you enter, they will be like no more. Okay, kill that one. Okay, dead. Aim's kind of accuracy. Okay, let's heal up. Sadly, fucker reduce all of damage. Okay, loot this one. So the baby zombies is like the most annoying one in there. Watch out. Extra cash. Take that one. Surgery mask. Okay. There's like 3 bosses. The one single building, you know. Okay, let's look for the other one. This building right there, and you can actually still go in here because it's going to be big. For less than 5 minutes, going to heal up. Maybe let's use this one. Doesn't matter. Okay, go in this area. Neighbor book, police department. Okay, there will be like boss in there. What level is this, by the way? Look for the boss in there. Okay, enter this one. Doors like this will actually give you some. Okay, let's go for the basement first. deals damage. Fuck. Okay, there's no boss in here. But at level 30, boss can actually appear in the these kind of doors. Okay, let's experiment here. Maybe boss will appear in here. No boss. Okay, let's go down to the basement and looking for that boss doors. Okay, there's the boss. Pretty much rushed in. And let's see what kind of boss. Fingerhead? Oh, it's the quiet. That's like 2014 now. How much experience tayo? Forgot. Maybe I can actually look. Just watch out for my experience already. Can actually level up in here very fast, as you can see in here. It's like a boss battle look like. Okay, this one with Orangizer can actually level up very faster. And with fast learner won't take that much to be reach level 50. Maybe like 1 week you are already level 50. That one. Okay, let's conclude the video. As you can see, actually 26 minutes guys, and I actually reached the, what do you call it, somewhere like 30k experience at my level 30. But I suggest guys, just by the way, that's without the fast learner perk. I only use Orangizer and the weekly event, which is 67%. Pretty sure every weekly event is occasional to have this one. Since you play right now to have the boost. 2015, I started like, I believe 150,000, something like that, and then I actually elevated it. In other words, I actually gained like 50k plus experience for like boss hunting. Okay, let's try again. Maybe this area over here, house, there's actually a boss there sometimes, and sometimes it doesn't actually spawn some bosses. It doesn't spawn. Let's see if it spawns, and it doesn't. Let's get out. Okay, let's go up. Let's see for boss. No boss in there. Let's get out. Orangizer. Okay, there's no Orangizer anymore. Okay, let's go out now. On the next video, I will teach you how to do some looting advice. Okay, what level is this one? Okay, level, it doesn't matter. Level 25 to 30 is like my comfort zone to level up. It's the most easiest one. 2004. Okay, see, 215,000. Okay, 218 without Orangizer. 280,000. So fast, you can actually see. Boss battles, come on. In the entire video, okay, and then we're going to sell it. Let's see how many money it will going to yield me. Okay, let's go back to the outpost. Going to teach you how to loot next time. Okay, what's this? Okay. We're going to fight this exactly. Fingerhead. This is Fingerhead, I believe. Hit for the other one. It's like 224. Kaya 2,000 experience. Okay, up. The looting. I need to loot this one. Should we help him? Maybe. I suggest I can help him. It's like, okay, 230. I started, by the way, 150,000 experience and to 238. Maybe just like too much with orange rifle, but actually we can actually level up in here very fast. Okay, let's go back to the outpost and sell. That's like 30 minutes I believe. 30 minutes and I actually gain like thousands of experience. Like 50,000, that's too much. At level actually level 25 you can actually still do it. Maybe you're level 15 or 18, you can actually stick to the level 15 areas. As long as you have the right perk skills and right weaponry. I suggest the skills that you focus on is going to be the damage against mutated, and the weapon body damage. I don't actually pick headshots because I believe it's not beginner friendly skills. Because you know, I'm actually bad at aiming at the boss, especially the Fingerhead. Okay, let's see how much money you can actually sell to the marketplace by scrapping. This one, you can actually sell this one for 5.4, scrap for 8. Okay, how much? Okay, 5.4. We can actually sell for 5.2. Maybe let's hope someone will buy it. This one, okay, it's safe to scrap this one. How about the scrap value? Okay, I'm going to scrap this one. This one. Okay, let's see how much money it will give me. 13k. Okay, 13k gold. And how many bosses is that? Like 5 bosses at level 30 to level 25. Pretty efficient. Okay, forgot this one. It's like 14k by the way. 14k gold and how many? Somewhere like 86,000 experience, something like that. Okay guys, that's pretty much it. My advice to you guys, if you enjoyed this, like and subscribe. And next video I will actually teach you how to loot the buildings like fast as possible and how to manipulate the market. And you have to be generous when selling items. Okay, that's pretty much it I can give you guys.